You come to the meeting looking at me expectantly, hoping that this time you will hear something new. Or maybe you will finally get it, even if it sounds the same as always. You wait for a new set of concepts to add to your vast collection, looking for the concept that will finally end all concepts. But all you will hear are more words. And what are words? Just sounds, sound waves dancing in the half-light of a drawing room at dusk. These sounds contain no more insight into the questions you ask than the sound of the birds outside the window. And even when you hear some set of words that makes you go, "Aha! Now I see. Now I've got it." That realization will drop like a leaf falling from a tree, joining a pile of other concepts as you dig through them as they rot and merge into each other. Some of you still await a formula, a magic set of words that will release you from what you feel is a prison. Liberation from what so many speakers call the me. You know there are no practices that will help, as many of you have tried quite a few to no avail. The hope that words will trigger some kind of letting go remains, even when speakers say this is not going to happen. You know they are lying, as how was it that they got this non-gettable thing called liberation after sitting with Tony or Richard or Rose or Kenneth or Jim or whoever? It's energetic, you say. You haven't a bloody clue what that means. But it sounds a little like something the guru in the robe you once visited said. So maybe, just maybe, everywhere you look, you can find more concepts, more words, more explanations masquerading as non-explanations. Somewhere in there is the truth, the key, the missing link. But all of this apparent knowledge is only a curtain drawn over what already always is, more sitting by the babbling brook and trying to decipher its message, when there is only babbling. And if it isn't already obvious, this too is only more babbling. These words might seem to be understood, seem to be pointing to some truth beyond your current understanding. That is the hope, is it not? Sadly, or perhaps most happily, they are not. Anything I say, it's all just more babbling, and no brook has more truth or wisdom than another.